This is a brand new 2012 Ford F-150. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a six-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking differential, and a backup camera. The following features are also included: power adjustable driver pedals, a power moonroof, a remote start feature, aluminum wheels, an integrated tailgate step, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, speed-sensitive volume controls, a power driver's seat, and satellite radio. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Red McCombs Ford is conveniently located at 8333 Interstate 10 West in San Antonio. Contact us today to find out about our specials or visit us at saford.com. Red McCombs Ford, when you deal with red, the deal gets done.